Okay, so welcome to the primary clarifier percent removal, also percent efficiency video. This is going to be also plant in and out. It's not always going to be a clarifier or a process. It might be the whole plant that they ask you to find percent removal. And for those of you who are in my primary clarifier video and came over to this to see the math worked out, I did notice, I did catch it, see if you caught it. In the other video, I had 0.045 and 0.071. That is just a great, I'm glad I demonstrated that to you on a great example to slow down. That was a typo on my part. I just threw a 0 in there for some reason, probably because I was writing this out for the lesson and I saw 0.45 on my calculator and my brain just moved the decimal place. So when you're working your math out, go slower, learn from my mistake, and also actually punch these numbers in a calculator, because if I had done that and I saw 0.045 and punch times 100 in a calculator, it would have said 4.5%, not 45%. So anyway, go check that out, that other video out. I'll link to it, and you're going to get some more explanations about what's going on here. But whoops. Anyway, so here we are in the actual math, and I want to talk about the equation. It is in minus out divided by in times 100. Very, very simple. This is about as simple as it gets. And in that primary clarifier video, I showed you some real world examples of removals in my plant, and that was influent BOD at 330 into the clarifier, effluent from the clarifier 180 milligrams per liter. And what you do is you subtract those to get 150 milligrams per liter. That's what was removed in the clarifier, divided by what was in that 330, what was going in, just 330. I know I'm repeating myself. I'm just trying to be clear. 150 divided by 330 is 0.45, and the milligrams per liter cancel out, and you multiply by 100 to get your percentage, and that's 45%. So let's talk about that. If you're unfamiliar, if you want to convert a decimal to a percentage, you multiply that decimal by 100. If you want to convert a percentage to a decimal, you divide that percentage by 100. Very simple. All right. If you have any questions, put it in the comments below. We'll talk more about that. Research it on Google. You can actually Google a lot of this stuff anymore. Back when I was taking my exam, you couldn't Google very much of this. If you did, it was just tedious and you would never find anything. But now everything's just so accessible. You can check out some remedial math stuff if you're curious about how to do percent conversions. Okay, we'll do it one more time for practice. TSS. Coming into my plan, I had 220 milligrams per liter. Leaving the clarifier, I have 63 milligrams per liter, TSS. So in minus out divided by in times 100. So in minus out is 157 milligrams per liter. That's what was removed. Divided by what came in, 220 milligrams per liter, times 100. So that's 0.71. Milligrams per liter cancel out. Times 100, 71% removal. If you want to know more about what this means, these are your target removals. Go check out my video. I'll put it in the links below. And if you have any questions about this math, please ask, and I'll see you in the next one.